Hi everyone, welcome back to P&J's Homestead Adventure. We were challenged by Kendra at Consume the Goodness to make homemade crackers. Let's give this a try. We need 2 cups of almond flour, 1 egg, a half a cup of sharp cheddar cheese or any cheese of your choice, a tablespoon of melted butter, and yes, that is our homemade butter, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and any kind of spices you like. I added my granulated garlic and herb mixture, and it has a little bit of red pepper in it too. You're also going to need a rolling pin, 2 pieces of parchment paper, and a cookie sheet. And you can use a knife or a pizza cutter. Here we go. Let's mix all this together. Jason and I are part of a collaboration hosted by Kendra at Consume the Goodness and Jason at Just Jason Keto and More. The collaboration is called I Was Challenged, where we swap recipes and try something new. It's all mixed. Now time to form it into a ball. Okay, we formed it into a ball, and now we're going to roll it out thin. And another piece right on top. The collaboration is an open collaboration. If you'd like to join, all you have to do is contact Jason or Kendra. Their links will be in our description and the playlist. Last month, Jason and I made a recipe of Jason's. We made a frittata. If you haven't already seen that video, I'll be sure to link it at the end. Okay, there's my squares. Kendra said that we can make them any size we want, according to her recipe. So, there we go. Now we're going to pop them in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, these almond flour crackers look fantastic. You can see all the cheese. Great idea, Kendra, to cut the crackers before you bake them. They just snapped right apart. Not all of them are pretty, but who cares? Fantastic. I made homemade sour cream. I'm going to mix our homemade sour cream with some spicy dehydrated peppers from our garden so we can have our own spicy dip. I think we're going to try the hot Armageddon. Ooh, nice spicy kick. Homemade sour cream. Yes, please. Perfect. Spicy kick right there. And we're also going to try the crackers with our Scotch bonnet Armageddon salsa. Gotta love the pop. That was so easy. Now let's give it a try. Yeah, homemade. Can you believe I made homemade crackers? Nice crunch. Gotta have the crunch, right? All right, so you tell me what you think.
Good.
My mouth's on fire.
What'd you put in that one?
Armageddon.
Yeah, that's got some
a kickaroo.
That's got some heat to it. Yeah, good recipe. Crunchy. Somebody still got the hiccups from the hot stuff.
Kendra, you did good on that.
Not from the cracker. That's from the hot stuff.
I know how to grill peppers.
They're hot.
So do you want me to make these again? I mean, do you recommend thinner?
No, that's
Or I like the texture of this completely.
no, it's a good chip cracker.
cracker.
Yeah, they work pretty well.
Yeah. Better than buying a bag of something not good for us.
True.
Simple changes.
I like that you can add whatever you want to it.
And maybe Parmesan.
Mmm.
Parmesan cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. If you haven't already met Jason and I, here's a new trailer so you can see what we've been up to around here.